everyone, this is Chris Burns from SlashGear. We're looking at today is the Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.9, whereas the first Samsung Galaxy Tab that came out was 7 inches. There's also a 7.7 inch one now, a 10.1 inch one, and this one. This one is running on AT&T's 4G LTE network and is, as you can see, fits really well into your two hands. It's not as gigantic as the biggest version, the biggest version being closest to the iPad. This one is also not the smallest one, so it could be perfect for you. What we got here is TouchWiz UX working. Now, TouchWiz is Samsung's user interface. This UX is made specifically for tablets. It's made to work on Honeycomb. Soon you'll see some different versions coming out as soon as Honeycomb is depreciated and you see Ice Cream Sandwich coming out. Now, what you get with this, I'm going to go briefly through it as you may have seen it working on previous Samsung Galaxy Tabs, is that you get these nice widgets. They sit on the screen nicely, formed like so, whereas in other interfaces they might be smaller and use less of the space. You have this nice little deal in the bottom where if you tap it, you get these applications that can sit on top of your other apps. For example, if we want the calculator, that sits on top. This is much closer to what a PC would have rather than Android. You can use it on top of all your other apps whenever you need them. You can also take a screenshot from anywhere. And the downfall of this is basically that this bar never goes away. Well, when you're using a basic build of Honeycomb, that bar will disappear whenever you're not using it. If you're not on the home screen, I should say. But with TouchWiz UX, it stays. You got 5 home screens, like so. You have the same sort of stuff from Honeycomb where you can go to your apps like that and drag them out. Or you can go to hit the plus there and get to your wallpapers, your more app shortcuts and widgets like that. Back out to the front. I'll show you, we can look at the camera. The camera's slightly modified from the original Honeycomb. I'll take a quick shot here. I'll show you what's around the corner. Put that in the review as well. Got a little bot there. You can see a review of that guy on SlashGear as well. Put back on the front. Inside of our apps, this is just the stuff that you get with the device. You get Google Music. You'll be able to use that to access your 200,000 songs you can store on the internet for free, in the cloud I should say. You have a few AT&T applications like Code Scanner and Family Communicator, and Quick Light, that's for doing some video chat with your front-facing camera. You got a video player to look at the videos that you don't have right out of the box. See, nothing in there. We also got things like the Android Market. You have Calendar, that's another Google thing. Books, Music Player. The difference between these two, Music and Music Player, is that Music Player will only get the songs that are on your device, and Music, this is Google Music, will get both that and the stuff that's in your Google Music cloud. I assume that eventually down the line Music Player will disappear entirely, as Google Music will be the only thing that will be built in with your tablet right out of the box. You got things like Memo. This is a Samsung application which you can use to create things typing, or you can just draw them. You can write on there like that. Let's see if we can make it work. There we go. So you can use a stylus if you want, or you can just use your finger just to take notes. We've also got Yellow Pages, Zinio for books, Polaris Office for all your applications, your documents I should say, from your PC, etc. Pulse comes right out of the box, that's great for reading blogs, and Social Hub. That's another thing you'll see in a lot of AT&T and Samsung devices that connects all your social networks together. Still not seeing any Google Plus on there, but I'm sure we will soon. So there you have it. Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.9 on AT&T right now. Check it out.